Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. The all-new 4th generation Toyota Harrier is now launched in Malaysia, and in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a quick look around the new Toyota Harrier as well as my thoughts on Toyota's latest SUV.
Download the official WapCar app on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store now.
First up, let's talk about price. There's only one variant of the Harrier available, which is the 2-litre luxury variant, priced at 249,000 ringgit on the road without insurance and 50% SST because it's a fully imported model. That makes it 7,000 ringgit cheaper than the model it replaces. So what's new in this Harrier? Now first up, it rides on the brand new TNGA-K Platform, which is shared with the Toyota RAV4, Toyota Camry as well as Lexus ES. It gets double wishbone suspension at the rear, and based on our experience with the RAV4, we know that the Harrier is going to be a joy to drive. Compared to the previous generation Harrier, the new car is now longer, wider, and sits lower to the ground, giving it a sleeker profile compared to the car it replaces. It is also lighter by up to 95 kilograms, but it has a smaller fuel tank by 5 litres. Under the hood is perhaps the biggest disappointment of the Toyota Harrier. It now gets a 2-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder dynamic force petrol engine paired to a Direct Shift CVT. It's the same powertrain combo as seen in the Lexus UX 200. It pushes 173 horsepower and 203 Nm of torque. Now, based on our experience with the UX 200, this powertrain combo is smooth and sufficient. It's not particularly exciting to drive, but it is sufficient enough to get you up to speed. The Direct Shift CVT with its mechanical launch gear helps to negate that jerky effect when setting off as well as minimize the rubber band effect when driving on the move. But it's exciting to see how this powertrain is going to perform in the larger, heavier Toyota Harrier. Although it's a massive power deficit compared to the 2-litre turbo, power is down by 58 horsepower and 147 Nm of torque. Although the new engine is a whole lot more efficient with a rated fuel economy of 6.3 litres per 100 kilometers compared to 7.6 litres in the previous generation car. Features-wise, the Harrier is armed to the teeth with bi-LED projector headlamps with LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloys, puddle lamps, kick-sensored power tailgate, and on the inside it gets a floating 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an Optitron instrument cluster with a center 7-inch TFT display, multifunctional steering wheel, 12-way power seat for the driver with 2 memory functions, ventilated front seats, panoramic glass roof, heads-up display, as well as a power-adjusted steering column. Interestingly, the automatic climate control panel in our local spec Harrier is different from the JDM models. In Japan, the entire panel is a touch-sensitive panel, whereas we get physical knobs. But I'm also quite bummed that UNW Toyota has removed the JBL premium audio sound system in this new Harrier. Instead, it only gets a standard 6-speaker setup. Safety-wise, the Toyota Harrier is equipped with the full suite of Toyota Safety Sense ADAS. It bundles forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control for all speeds, lane tracing assist, adaptive high beam, as well as blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. There is also 7 airbags on board with a tire pressure monitoring system which tells you each individual tire pressure. To me personally, I feel that the new generation Harrier is a little bit lacking on paper. It does not have a revolutionary design, the engine is a little bit lackluster, and there's no wow factor in the interior. But I think people will still rush towards the Harrier because it's now cheaper, more efficient, and comes with better features. It's definitely going to be better to drive, more comfortable because of the TNGA platform, and it comes with all the bells and whistles as you would expect from a premium car. The Harrier name is just so ingrained in our Malaysian minds for comfort, reliability, luxury, and this new generation Harrier, never mind that it doesn't come with a turbo, I'm sure people will still rush towards it. But what do you think of the new Harrier? Is it still as desirable? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.
Download the official WapCar app on Apple App Store and Google Play Store for all your latest reviews, news, and comparisons to help you find your next perfect car.